All right, so I've had this headphone stand for about 6 months now, and I don't really have any complaints about it. I was just looking for a stand to display the headphones. I was getting kind of sick of taking them in and out of their case all the time. I also ended up just throwing them around. So I wanted a stand, but I wanted to make sure that I wasn't going to just have the battery run out. And that has not been an issue at all. And I think that's specifically because of this stand. And you can see this darker area. This is the area where the side of the headphones need to match up. And as long as the side is touching this darker area, your headphones are going to go to sleep. So you can see even if it's in the shortest length or if you make it longer, it's still very easily going to touch that darker bit and make sure that your headphones go to sleep. So I haven't had any issues with the battery running out. It basically defaults to where it's supposed to go. And then as soon as you take it off, you can see the green light turns on, and then you can easily pair it to your phone or your computer. I haven't had any issues. I've even looked at my phone while it's been on the stand to make sure that it wasn't accidentally getting picked up. So nothing concerning there. I will also say I think the color matches pretty nicely. I have the space gray AirPod Max, and this is the dark gray color. So I think it looks nice. I think it looks sleek on my desk. The only thing that I wish it had was wireless charging, but obviously that's not the stand's fault. That's just something that Apple unfortunately does not offer, at least not with this version of the AirPod Max. The one thing I will say, though, in regards to the charging, it's very easy to plug the headphones in even when it's on the stand when it does get low in battery, and I haven't had any issues. So I would say it's pretty good. Another concern was possibly whether this was going to lead to scratching because of the side and the rubbing, but I haven't had any issues there. These headphones are about a year old. I think they still look pretty darn good if I say so myself, and I haven't noticed any additional scratching from using the stand at all.